Yorubawuyi. Me say no to one Nigerian. The country of kidnappers, full of the S-men, bandits, tribalism, godfatherism, nepotism. Say no to one Nigerian. I stand with your bad nation. I said no going back. I said no staying back. No going back. The bad nation. Where we stand. Where we stand. See the batty right there, Tony the low matter.
Daddy, lọ́dọ̀ ni bá sùn lọ́rù. $20 million nílò wá wá. Níbo la ti fẹ́ $20 million? Lọ́dọ̀ ni bá sùn lọ́rù. Wọ́n náà máa pa lọ́la tó àbá tí rí $20 million tẹ́lẹ̀. Wọ́n náà máa pa lọ́la o.
Bámúbámú ni mo yó, wọ́n kọrin bámúbámú ni mo yó. Ọmọ bébí ń pọ̀ mẹ́ni kọ̀ọ̀kan o. Bámúbámú ni mo yó. Insecurity everywhere, bloodshedding everywhere. Òmìnira ṣáàlà wa ń fẹ́. Tó bá ní kọ̀ọ̀kan wo lè gẹ́ ní tákàn ẹ̀ lọ́nà. Àwa ò ṣerú ẹni kankan mọ́ o. Ṣé bí ẹ̀ ń la fẹ́ kán gbọ́? Yorùbá nation ẹ jẹ́ ká parapọ̀. Àìsí níbẹ̀ òun láì bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀. Àsìkò ti tó. Yorùbá nation ẹ jẹ́ ká parapọ̀. See the battle right there, don't you know my dad? We take back my day, I let you take back ọmọ kàwé kò wá ríṣẹ́ ohun ribiribi tẹ́ tún sọ pé ẹ máa ṣe ìyẹn gangan lẹ ò rí ṣe dáwọ́ bá mọ̀ bí tẹ́ ń kó hà lọ àwa ṣe tán ti padà dáwọ́ bá mọ̀ bí tẹ́ ń kó hà lọ yóò bá ṣe tán ti padà sílé o. a ò ṣe mọ́ àwa ń lọ a ò ṣe mọ́ àwa ń lọ Ògún ẹ̀ dìde Ṣàngó ẹ̀ dìde Ọbàtálá dìde Alálẹ̀kẹ̀ dìde lọ́balọ́ba kẹ̀ dìde Yorùbá ẹ̀ dìde sídi bá ti bá jẹ́ tó nídìí ló máa dà ibi tẹ́ bá wà dé alẹ́ tí kò padà.
This is terrible. This is crazy. Despite the fact tó yẹ pé gbogbo ọmọ gbogbo tí ń jẹ́ ọmọ, every kids have the right to live. Gbogbo ọmọ ló ní ẹ̀tọ́ láti gbé ayé. Gbogbo ọmọ tá bí sáyé ló ní ẹ̀tọ́ láti ṣe dáadáa láyé. And did you think Nigeria is still a country? This is getting out of hand. This is too much to bear. This is I don't even know what to say. Gbogbo abiyamọ ayé pátá ní fojú sunkún àwọn ọmọ wa o. Gbogbo abiyamọ tó ń ṣòwò ọmọ pátápátá ní ṣòwò àṣedànù. Wọn ò ní gbé òkú àwọn wa ká wa mọ́lé, a ò ní mọ sàárè ọmọ. This is so pathetic. Chrisland school. This is what happened to Kilo boy the last year, just a few months back. Sylvester. The same school tí Sylvester a lot wọ́n ti gbókú ẹ̀ wálé, the same school náà ni àwọn Adeniran ọmọ wọn lọ. This is too much to bear. For a mother láti lọ wọ́n ọmọ ẹ̀ lọ sí school kó lọ kàwé. Tó bá ti wá wọn lọ sí school kó lọ kàwé, òkú ọmọ náà máa wá gbé. Do we call this ritual or we call it negligence? What sort of crazy thing is this? For God's sake. Ẹ̀yin abiyamọ, ẹ bá mi pín ètò yìí. Bóyá ó lè kún àwọn tí wọ́n lè dìde fún ìrànlọ́wọ́ yìí, Uma yìí. No, this is uncalled for. This is crazy. Now, ọmọ tí kíní yẹn ṣẹlẹ̀ lójú ẹ̀, ó ti bọ́ta, ó ti sọ̀rọ̀. We got the voice message of that boy. Ọ̀pọ̀ pé Chrisland school, owó burúkú ni wọ́n ń gbà níbẹ̀. Fún school táwọn ọmọ ń lọ, kò kí ṣe school tálíkà. Sylvester last year, la ṣe ń jẹ yẹn lọ́wọ́ tí yẹ sunkún. Up to date. Àti gbọ́ nǹkan nípa Sylvester. The case has been swept under the carpet. Is Nigeria a country for goodness sake? Every child have the right to live. And even if any child's life is wasted, there must be a justice for it. I stand with the kids. What nonsense is this? Nigeria. When we talk, you say, I want to know rally ni wọ́n pa, I want to know protest ni wọ́n pa. Ṣé ọmọdé náà sìn? Whitney Adeniran ṣó lọ fún protest na bó lọ fún rally. This is getting out of hand. I couldn't even get a reply to this. I couldn't get a correct answer to this. Is this a ritual? I don't know if people are seeing it the way I'm saying it. Is this a ritual or coincidence or accidentally? What do we call this? Why will you be wasting the children's life? Why will a mother do a school? Because she wants her child to be protected. She wants the best future for her child. This is why she believes she can send her child to the most expensive school in Lagos State. How do we go about this? This is getting out of hand. And nothing has been done. Because not them. When you say this, they say that. When you say this, they cover up. How on earth, firstly, my condolences to Mrs. Blessing and her husband on the means of their child, of their daughter, Whitney Adeniran. Okay, you answered. It is ritual. I don't understand. And I believe nothing will be done to this school again. This is I can say this is the second time that people are saying this has been happening. Not first, not second time, and everything has been covering up. For how long do we keep quiet? For how long do we shut our mouth? Excuse me. When Bamishe was murdered, we are like, oh, Bamishe Tiku. And there's no justice for Bamishe. The same way, these children are the future of today. They are not future of tomorrow to me. They are the future of today. Be a money me for God's sake. I know how it takes. Láti gbé oyún sínú fóṣù mẹ́sàn. Obìnrin mi tó bá ti lóyún lé ní ìbáyìí, àgbákò ti dé. Kò ní jẹun fún dídí oṣù mẹ́ta. Tó bá ti ń jẹ máa bì ní. Ìmí ìtọ́lọ́ máa tukura. Ìmí òun ló máa sùn. Ìmí ìkanra ni orí ẹ̀ máa yí ni. There are a lot of things to man show me. They about lóyún. Mo wà ní sisi o. I am a beautiful woman o. I am a kini kan o. I am figure 8 o, figure 10 o. Tó bá ti lóyún bá àgbákò ti dé. Gbogbo figure 8 yẹn, a figure 6 ni, a bend ni. We lose our shape, we lose our standing breast, we lose everything. Just to bring our children to life. And how do you bring children to life and all of a sudden the children the mother said the child was healthy, sound and healthy. Ọmọ tí ò gbádùn kò ní lọ fún inter-house sports. They went to the inter-house sports together. The mother was sitting, expecting her child to do the match pass. Green house, blue house, yellow house, whatever house. They all marched past. And she was unable to see her child. She asked of her child and they said, oh, what did you come? Kini kon. And later she said she saw a school bus, a school van that ran out. And she was like, why is this van running this way? No answer. Or she started looking for her child, her daughter, her precious daughter of 12 years. Èyàn lóyún, ọjọ́ kìíní, odoṣù, odose, odoṣù. All the 9 months, ọjọ́ labor. Kò sí bó ṣe lè sọ pé mo máa ra mi bò. I am a queen, I am a queen, máa fẹ́ ìdí ẹ̀ ní. Ibi tí ọmọ bá ti bá ẹ ló máa fẹ́ ìdí yẹn sí. There are some women that give birth in the midst of the markets. Market square. Ni ọmọ ma ti mú ẹ, wàá fẹ́ ìdí ẹ, wàá jà síbẹ̀ ni wèrè bá máa wò dí ẹ. You don't care. Because ẹsẹ̀ kan ayé, ẹsẹ̀ kan ọ̀run ló wà ní moment yẹn. You don't even know if anybody is looking at you. Ìyá wa bímọ yẹn tán, á bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní fún lọ́yàn, á bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní gbé ọjọ́ àìsùn òru, ọmọ ṣu, ọmọ yàgbẹ́, ọmọ tọ̀, ọmọ bì. You take care of the child from nursery school, primary school to secondary school. Títí ọmọ yẹn fi dọmọ ọdún 12. Hey, ẹnìkan wá ní ọmọ yẹn ní kíní kan ṣe kíní kan ló kàn. I don't get it. I don't know if you have seen the woman. I posted the full video on my YouTube and on my Facebook. Excuse me, please.
Hello everybody, good evening. My name is
This is the woman.
This is my daughter. She's my first child.
But I can basically speak at GM. So I won't be able to play everything. I have posted this on my Facebook, on my YouTube. I will not be able to post everything. To play everything.
She's my first child. I will state everything that happened. I don't like trouble. I don't like wahala in my life. I'm an easygoing person. I don't like attention in my life. Oh, let me state what happened. February 9th was the day of their inter-house sports. That was the day they were meant to have their inter-house sports. Anybody who knows Chrisland knows that Chrisland has their inter-house sports at Agege Stadium. Last year, I was not able to go on time. My daughter was angry. She said, Mom, you did not even come on time. You did not even come and see me take part in the march past. And I was marching, I was looking for you. I said, I'm sorry. I didn't know the way. I didn't know how to find my way to Agege Stadium. But I promise you, next year, I will be there on time. This year, I tried to go there. I said,
nǹkan tó happen sọmọdé tó ní kí ìyá fi wá sí school. Ó ti happen sí mi. Mo mọ̀ kéèyàn ṣe dáadáa ní school. Kí òbí ẹ̀ má wà ńbẹ̀. I said that Baba Jakande of his blessed memory, Governor Lateef Jakande, this is what brought me and him together. Very close. There was an inter-house sport that happened in my school. Ọjọ́ náà mo gbà at least price mo gbà ó lọ bí 6. When I was young, I was so energetic. Kò sí sport mo kí partake nínú ẹ̀. Javelin, short put, high jump, long jump, because you're not training me. So I was so ashamed. I was crying because as the our present I collected over 6% that day. My parents were not there. I cried heaven and earth that day. That is what brought me and Baja Konde. By Nigeria, she that our governors to my school. Governor Latif Jakonde of Lagos State, Baba Kekere of his blessed memory. Gbogbo nǹkan tí bàbá yẹn fi sílẹ̀ kó lọ máa yẹ kó bàjẹ́. Ohun tó bá jẹ́ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ fún bàbá yẹn kó lọ bá mi ṣàforíjì fún àtòun àti bàbá wo lọ́wọ́. Baba was there. That was the day he named me Ogie because I was crying and he was like, "Oh, we should gear me." I got gear, and he called me Ogie. Ever since then, people have been calling me Ogie because I was so tiny. I'm like, teacher go kill me because I believe my customer genie. And he said even my teacher to my mother that next in the passport, they must see me there. This man was paying for my uniform, my sandals. Governor Latif Jakonde of Lagos State then. Baba sandal everything man somewhere for me because we like people are energetic. Now but can you young one last year? Young ma I said we yet ever wise. You ever lori oku eni. Kill have pele for God's sake. What do we call this? So
I was there even before the program started. I met the admin officer, I met the principal, I met part of the PTA committee, I met parents, they were greeted and started.
Must be.
March past started. When the march past started, I looked. The first house marched. I didn't see my child. Second house marched. I didn't see my child. Third house marched. I didn't see my child. I said, she's in Pines, which is greenhouse. I said, maybe she's among the Queen's entourage. Because I remember she mentioned that she's among the...
Yes, I've been good for time.
King or something like that. This was marched. I didn't see her. I said, okay, maybe she's in the arts and crafts.
And then can fast forward that man waste time because you let you shoot.
And show us where
the page
to is. That was how we left. Fortunately, on our way there, before we got to the central mosque, we saw their school bus arrangement in case of any emergencies. When the boy said the school bus took, I said, "Oh, was it my child that was in that bus that sped by?" I ran out. I met a staff coming towards me. The staff said, "Oh, Mommy, we've been looking for you." He was so calm and casual. I said, "Oh, Mommy, we've been looking for you. Whitney fell." I said, "Yes." And then she fell. He said, "Oh, yeah, she fell. Oh, don't worry, she'll be fine. We've taken her to the hospital." I said, "Okay, let's go to the hospital." Immediately, I picked my phone. I called my husband. My husband wasn't picking. His PA said he was in a meeting. I said, "Please get the phone across to him. I don't care who is having that meeting with. Even if it is the governor, go and give him the phone. It's an emergency." The guy went and gave my husband the phone. I told my husband what happened. My husband said, "Okay, no problem. Go to the hospital. I will make a few calls and I will meet you there myself. I'm on my way already." I asked the staff, "Please, where is the hospital my daughter was taking to?" Let him ask the principal. We asked the principal. Principal said it was Agege Central Hospital. I said, Agege Central Hospital. She was drenched, soaked to the skin. Water was dripping. I'm very close to the stadium. What we couldn't locate the place now. Nobody we were asking knew where it was. We were not able to get it on Google Map. I told the driver, "You know what? Let's go to Agege Central Mosque. It is central. Maybe if we get to the Central Mosque, somebody will be able to help us and show us where the hospital is." That was how we left. Fortunately, on our way there, before we got to the Central Mosque, we saw their school bus by the side of the road. So we automatically knew that was where she was. I jumped down from the school bus and I rushed him. Rushing in, I saw the woman that went to her, the staff that went to her. I said, "Madam, where is my child? What happened? Why did she fail?" She said, "I don't know. She's in there." I went in there and I saw my daughter's corpse. The soldier did not say anything to me. I went in there and I met my daughter on her deathbed. She was already dead when I got there and I saw her. All this happened in less than 10 minutes. She was already dead. She was drenched, soaked to the skin. Water was dripping. I knelt down. I called on God. I shouted. I screamed. I felt her pulse. No pulse. I put my hand on her chest. It What happened to my daughter? The woman looked at me and said, madam, from the way I'm saying things, is like cardiac arrest.
And you don't even, woman, keep quiet. This woman, keep quiet, keep quiet. Keep quiet. Keep your mouth, keep your fucking mouth quiet. And you can't even commit murder there. Yeah, I'm on live show. I'm good. Okay, well, on myself. Keep quiet, woman. Keep quiet. Trust me. For everybody telling your child is dead and they are so calm. Oh, they're going to go to the game, to the forgive Lori. Oh, yeah, you go to the bear, to go to the lamolori. Hey. Everybody is calm. Everybody is. I am not trying to mock you, mama. We are talking about a child for goodness sake. A daughter for goodness sake. A girl that can become the president tomorrow for God's sake. We are talking about a girl that can become anything. Madam, this is your body where they shine today. Time go come where that body no go shine again. Now this girl go say, Mommy, ejoko si bibi. Oúnjẹ tí mo rà wá fún yín lélẹ̀. Aṣọ tí mo rà wá fún yín lélẹ̀. If we women continue keeping quiet and they are killing our children like this will continue. This will continue. I think this is the time we just have to do this. An eye for an eye, a tooth for a tooth. When I talk about Baba Ijesha dead, people think I am supporting Baba Ijesha. I am not supporting Baba Ijesha dead. I said, if it is not true, Ọlọ́run á dá. But if it is true, Baba Ijesha not there do that kind of thing to my side. I don't mind share one lie. Mo follow Babura. To mat commit. To buy ye. To madajo e won fun, madajo e won fe mi na ni. And it will be better. Another person will not try that kind of thing again until our obìnrin tá bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní sọ pé a fẹ́ sacrifice life wa fún àwọn ọmọ wa. Ìjọ tí àwọn yìí ń bọ̀ láyé, a sacrifice life wa ni. Èyàn kò kí ń bímọ láàyè. Mother will go for the child to be alive. And bear few minutes, few seconds. Ìyá ẹ̀ máa jí sáyé padà. Some women will breathe their last breath and they will never come back. They will never come back to life. What to buy BT? To buy to be jáde yẹn. To buy rí mi padà sókè. Orí ọ̀fẹ́ Ọlọ́run ló gbà. God mercy ni. Until we women ready to sacrifice our life, that if you rape my child, you will never have sex with obìnrin again in this life. Until we start doing this. If anybody rape your child, by anything by ebu. If anybody rape your daughter, Jesu ada, Jesu oni da any fucking shit. Anabi ada, Anabi will not da any nonsense. One con. Lọ́dọ̀ àwọn tó mọ nǹkan kó máa fi okó ẹ̀gún kó máa fi okó ẹ̀gún igi. When I was young, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá mọ̀ 70s 80s, there was a guy mi mọ̀ bí ó sì wà láyé ńsìn. Wọ́n máa ń pè ní Modojoke ní Mushin. Yes. Mushin Ojúwòye ló wà. A lọ ra ọjà lójúwòye ńjọ́ náà ni ló súnmọ́ àwọn tajọ dúró tó jẹ́ àwọn àǹtí fún wa. Ó yọ kíní abẹ́ ló fi hàn wá báyìí. Ó máa fi hàn yín báyìí láwa ní Modojoke ni. Kò ní sọ nǹkan máa lọ ni. Yes! At last I gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀. Wọ́n ló rape ọmọ tó jẹ́ Joke ni. Wọ́n lè sì bẹ̀ Joke ní kò sí wàhálà. But if we use that gbongla to fi do Joke, He will show it to the whole world. Until we stand up for our children. Tomorrow, come and call me Aje Abiologo, whatever. I don't believe in the book of Anabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I don't believe in the book of Jesus. I believe in Ofimose. Baby, get me my charger, please. Get me my charger, please. Get me my charger. Be fast. I believe in Ofimose. Why is it? Until we stop this rubbish will never stop itself. Emma Binojo. Until we stop this rubbish, Yoko, God bless you. Yoko, God bless you. Modo Yoko, no man pay. Ni Mushin. On your quick car if you have when you need. Until women stop being deceived that everything is satanic. Stop being deceived. Ọkùnrin tó wò ṣùṣù tó rape ọmọ ẹ̀ kò fẹ́ dáadáa fún wọn tó jẹ́ abiyamọ. Ní Nàìjíríà wọ́n rape ọmọ 2 years. Àti ẹ̀ tó rape ọmọ 1 year 8 months. Ìdá ọmọ yẹn kú, ìdá ọmọ yẹn ò kú. Tó o bá ti mọ̀ pé lóòótọ́ ló ṣe o. Mi ní kéèyàn ṣe kà o. But if truly, especially àwọn ọmọbìnrin wa wọn ò save ní anywhere. Gbẹ̀gbọ́n kókó kalẹ̀, wọ́n ti gbé, wọ́n ti ná kóòtì. Ọmọ lọ school, ó ti kú. Tó máa di sisi, kó tó gba máàkì ní school. Lecturer máa bá wọn sùn. Tó máa kúrò ní school, kí wọ́n tó gba ibiṣẹ́, ọ̀gá máa bá wọn sùn. Ṣé obìnrin ò ráyé wá ni? Ṣé àwa obìnrin a rí ayé wá ni? We are so fragile. Ọlọ́run bá tọ́lọ́run bá nífẹ̀ẹ́ wa bí gan. Ó ròyìn wa nínú Al-Qur'ani. Suratu Maryam, ó wà nínú Al-Qur'ani. Kò sí suratu Ádámọ̀. Àbí suratu Isaki nínú Al-Qur'ani. Tọ́lọ́run pọ́n wa lédè. Yet obìnrin yẹn la wá jẹ́ irinṣẹ́ burúkú fún yín Nàìjíríà. We can't breathe. You guys are on our neck. We cannot breathe. Your nails are on our neck. We can't breathe in Nigeria. Now, ọmọ kan ti bọ́ta, ó ti sọ̀rọ̀. Voice ọmọ yẹn, ó ti gbà. Only, I don't know if it's true, but one of the students said.
This girl and your age, her name is Whitney, and let's just say that like we're not really friends and stuff. So they went for inter-house sports, and in my old school, for inter-house sports, you like go to a stadium. Yeah, so you go to the stadium, and in the stadium they're like cotton candy machines, popcorn machines, and stuff like that. So Whitney always buys like cotton candy and popcorn, like that was she always does. So like she went there, and they're like, oh, let me buy some cotton candy, like right, and saw nothing about it. She was so excited for inter-house sports, you know. And then her hands are now wet, and she now mistakenly touched one of the cotton candy parts. And then she now got electrocuted, and then she now fainted, and her mouth was foaming, her veins were bulging, popping. So her mouth was foaming, her veins were popping. And so this girl, her tongue just disappeared. Really, her tongue disappeared. Napalm was on her, and then they took her to the back, and then they took her to the hospital. Like, this thing, you know, it's actually really scary, and I seriously can't believe that happened to somebody, and that someone can be so excited for something, and then you know, they like basically never having it again. Her tongue just disappeared. Really, her tongue disappeared. Napalm was on her, and then they took her to the back, and then they took her to the hospital. Like, this thing, you know, it's actually really scary, and I seriously can't believe that happened to somebody, and that someone can be so excited for something, and then you know, they like basically never having it.
And one of the students said, Whitney Adeniran Omo tá ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí, wọ́n ní ó fẹ́ ra popcorn ní ẹ̀gbẹ́ ńbẹ̀ yẹn. Ó fẹ́ ra popcorn. Ó dà pé pé electric wá ó fọwọ́ kan kí ni popcorn yẹn electric wá gbé wọ́n ní ọmọ yẹn sọ pé iná ló gbé and she fell down. Remember, the mother said she was at the premises where the transport is taking place. The mother was there looking for her child, waiting for her daughter to do march past and smile, and the mommy will say, hey, that's my baby. She never knew that her daughter wants to be seen kini. One kini she slumped. Chrisland school, a very big school. Full school and wolowo. E wa se entire sports. No ambulance. No Red Cross. No medical whatever. Tole wanle. I will not blame you. You know why I will not blame you? Because we have seen Nigeria army, Nigerian soldiers, tí wọ́n practice pẹ̀lú parachute ní àdúgbò, tí wọ́n jábọ́ sórí igi, jábọ́ sílẹ̀lẹ̀, and no ambulance to take care of them. If Nigerian soldiers can be doing training and there's no ambulance on ground in case of necessity, there's no protection. The rich also cry, I got you. And NT not be, if truly, allegedly ni, NT not be, otubusile. The next thing you will do, the woman said, our driver, like our teacher was a pé, òun lòun dá omi lé lórí. NT not be, dá omi lé lórí. Shit. Ọmọ tí not be. Where is the ambulance? Mrs. Adeniran, this is not the time for you to cry. You cannot cry when the head is already off. Madam Adeniran, Madam Blessing Adeniran, you cannot cry when the head is already off. What you need to know now is, how come your daughter slumped and died? How come she was electrocuted and someone just pour her water? How come you are paying that a lot of money for school fees? Inter-transport is taking place and there was no ambulance on ground for protection. There was no nurses, no doctors, not even Red Cross. Negligence. This is total, if it's non-ritual, that this is negligence. It's either it is ritual, because this is the same way Sylvester died in that same school. So, few months ago, Sylvester was dead, and now it is Whitney Adeniran turn. I don't get it. So it's okay, Mama.
Whitney was 12. She was 12 October 30th last year, 2022.
Now, doctor said she had cardiac arrest. A 12-year-old girl had cardiac arrest. How come? And the first cardiac arrest took her life. Even àgbàlagbà tó bá ní cardiac arrest tó kú, kì í ṣe ẹsẹ̀kẹsẹ̀. Tó ní cardiac arrest yẹn ló kú. A ti máa ní àwọn symptoms oríṣiríṣi. Bí ẹni kó fẹ́ ní stroke. Bí kí pàtẹ́gbẹ́ kan máa weak. A ti máa wà on medication díẹ̀díẹ̀. Cardiac arrest will not pick up somebody and that person will die immediately. Talk less of 12-year-old girl. Kí ni iṣẹ́ tí girl yẹn ń ṣe? Shon kiri e padà bon kiri don kwa. When I was in school. Kábíyèsí Ọlọ́run. Nígbà tí àwọn tó bí mi wọ́n fẹ́ wọ́n mọ̀ pé mo mọ̀wé mo lè fẹ́ kàwé dáadáa. Wọ́n fẹ́ àwọn náà fẹ́ rán mi gidi. Nígbà tí lórí dé. Before I go to school in the morning, mo máa kiri ọjà. Tí mo bá kiri ọjà tí mo bá dé, màá lọ sí school. Tí n bá ti school dé, màá lọ sí ilé, màá lọ tún lè ṣe. màá wá láti ọ̀tọ̀ màá wá bá màmá mi ní Island ní Èkó àjọ máa palẹ̀ mọ́ lálẹ́ ni oníṣẹ́ ṣe mọ́ mi lára àdìsí àárí cardiac arrest nígbẹ̀yìn kò sí nǹkan tó jẹ́ cardiac arrest nígbà yẹn à ń ṣe iṣẹ́ bí erin kò sí nǹkan tó jẹ́ cardiac ọmọ 12 years ní doctor ló ní Nigeria because ẹ̀rọ ojúráyè láti sọ fún wa pé ọmọ ẹ ní cardiac arrest ni ẹ̀rọ ojúráyè ni kò tí kò fọ́ igi mẹ́yọ̀ kan lórí kẹ máa du doctor kẹ máa du nurse kẹ máa ráyè gbójú tó kú lẹ́sí sọ pé cardiac arrest ni. I am not preaching violence. I am not here to preach violence. But ìgbà mi àdúrà ò ṣe fi wo èpè o èpè wọ́n máa fi ń wo èpè orí ibu lè máa fi ń wo orí burúkú bẹ́ẹ̀ ni èpè lè máa fi ń wo èpè. Enough of this in Nigeria. Sọ̀rọ̀ sókè ìyá yìí.
12-year-old had a cardiac arrest. No pre-existing medical condition, no pre-existing heart condition. She was hale and healthy. She was not sick in any form. If she was sick, I would never allow her to leave the house. If she was sick, if she had even minor headache, I would never allow her to leave the house. If she was sick, I was taking her to that school myself. But she was not sick. She was looking forward to the inter-house sport. Why was she not there? Why did my daughter die? I said, okay, even if she would die of cardiac arrest, why should one cardiac arrest kill a healthy teenager? Just one. She don't get stroke. She's not in coma. She's not unconscious. She's dead. And let me state this. By the time I got there, my daughter's lips had already turned black. Her tongue was turned black.
Can you hear that? She said within that 10 minutes that she will get there, her daughter's lips already turned black. Her daughter's tongue already turned black. Did you guys remember Sylvester in that same school? The same way Sylvester's tongue turned black. The same way Sylvester's lips turned black. Adeniran's daughter, Omo Ile Iwe. Upon one man evidence oríṣiríṣi jáde. You know, this thing happened in that same school, and immediately to happen, lára àwọn tí wọ́n sọ pé àwọn ọmọ wọn náà ṣiṣẹ́ yẹn flew his son down to America. Immediately, the son was flew down to America until people started, hey, they should bring him for justice. Where is the justice? Where is the justice? If you Olowos are not ready to talk on behalf of we, the poor people. When Bamise got killed, in reality, up to date, nothing was done. And everybody keep quiet. Driver to pa Bamise, ó ṣe rìn on the streets. Wọ́n náà ṣe case ẹ̀ lọ́wọ́, wọ́n ṣe kíní kan lọ́wọ́. If you are here with, show me ale o ma rí bákan bákan. If you are here with me, if you once live in Lagos, near ọ̀nà Barefoot, near Island, ele o kì í ṣe pé ọ̀rọ̀ Lagos nìkan. Kíni yẹn needs to carry ni. A soldier killed Omo Ìyá méjì. A soldier killed Omo Ìyá méjì. Ó pa àbúrò, bóyá ní mistakenly ló ń gbọ́ cocky boy yẹn. Ẹ̀gbọ́n wa papa, ó ti pa àbúrò mi, for him to cover himself up. Wọ́n ní ó pa ẹ̀gbọ́n yẹn náà. Nigeria wọ́n ti ń cover atrocity ti pẹ́. Wọ́n dájọ́ yẹn kíní kan gbé lọ sí court. Wọ́n padà gbé kíní jáde pé ó ní mental issue, pé ó ya wèrè. And he was freed. Wọ́n ní wọ́n fẹ́ fún ìyá ẹ̀ lówó ń gbà yẹn, and she said òun ò ní ìdówó. Yes, àwa ò kéré náà púpọ̀. Do you know what? After some months, sójà yìí ó mú ìbọn, ó pa ìyàwó ẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ọmọ ẹ̀ méjì. Ṣé bẹ́ sọ pé ìyá wèrè ni? Ló ṣe yìnbọn fọ́mọ ìyá méjì. Ó yá wèrè ló ṣe pa ọmọ tiẹ̀ náà. Until àwọn obìnrin tí wọ́n bá dìde láti fight for their self. Ó yá wèrè ni. continue tí doctor's report mú wá nìyẹn pé ó ya wèrè ní ó ti gba abẹ́rẹ́ sójà tó máa fi ń dẹ́rù bà wá ní ó ti gba abẹ́rẹ́ sójà wọ́n lè gba abẹ́rẹ́ sójà kún ó yí lórí. Fine, good, free him, let him go. Ọ̀dọ́ pé wọ́n ti decide pé ó ya wèrè yẹn ni ẹ fi lẹ̀ ẹ kó máa lọ. We don't need any judgment again. Let him go, free him, let him go. Kò pé kò ṣe 40 days àwọn ọmọ yẹn lójú ẹ̀ tó fi pa ìyàwó ẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ọmọ ẹ̀ méjì fúnra rẹ̀. Ọlọ́run ló máa dá ẹjọ́ kò kí ń ṣe èèyàn. If this happen in the country, tí judgment máa wà. Legally. Ṣé legally ni máa ń pè? Judgment máa wà lawfully. Tí wọ́n máa dá ẹjọ́ yẹn according to law. I wouldn't be saying this. But until tí àwọn obìnrin bá ń dìde, ipe an eye for an eye, a tooth for a tooth, ọmọ tẹ́ ẹ bá pa, bàbá lè bímọ 1,000 láàrin ọdún kan. Ọ̀láǹsì, kíni kan, wọ́n lè gbọ́mọdé pé ọkọ ẹ ti bímọ síta, má bínú, until tí ọlọ́pàá bá yìnbọn fún ọmọ kan, tí ọmọ yẹn kú láàrin ọ̀sẹ̀ kan, tá gbọ́ news pé ọlọ́pàá yẹn ti yìnbọn fún àwọn ọmọ tiẹ̀ náà. Ó ti pa ìyàwó ẹ̀ náà. Ó wọlé ó pa màmá ẹ̀ àti bàbá ẹ̀. Until then, kórí everybody tó pé. We need to jẹ́ kórí wá pé. Àwa obìnrin, would you stop joking with the life of these children? Táwọn tó bí wa bá fi ayé ti wá ṣeré ni, àwa ò ní dàgbà tá máa bímọ. If anybody tamper your child, please don't spare the person. Mi ò mọ̀ bóyá ẹ gbọ́ mi yé, mi ò gbọ́yìnbó. If anybody tó bá wò pé òun ò ní nǹkan tó ń fẹ́ fi ẹ́ ṣe mọ́, ọmọ ẹ ló ń fẹ́ pa, please don't tamper justice with mercy. Àbí kí ló máa ń sọ? There must be samples. Women need to stand up. Women, we need to stand up. Kò sí ọ̀nà tó lè gbà ó tó pé Jésù náà ló mọ̀ ni. Lọ pé Jésù. Kí Jésù dìde ní Násárẹ́tì kíákíá. Kó bá ẹ gba ẹ̀san lórí ẹni tó pa ọmọ tiẹ̀. Tó ndọ́kọ́ ni kóhun náà kú. But ó possible kó lọ pa ọmọ tiẹ̀ náà fún ara ẹ̀. Then we will know. Pé nǹkan tó ṣe yìí. Ẹ pa àwọn sample tí mo fún yín. Mi ò fẹ́ nubo. I will give you another sample. Ọlọ́run Tóyìn ní Bariga. If you know Ọlọ́run Tóyìn street in Bariga. Nǹkan bẹ́ wá síbẹ̀ nígbà yẹn. Ọlọ́run Tóyìn street in Bariga, there was a man there. Kò sí ọmọ tí kò lè bá sùn. Ó lè dó ìbọn. Tó bá rí ihò, tó bá fi jọ abí ọmọ kékeré, ó lè dó. Ọlọ́run Tóyìn street in Bariga. Ṣé gbogbo àwọn tí mo sọ fún yín mo ń dá ọkọ tó ti ṣẹlẹ̀. Nǹkan bẹ́ ó wá síbẹ̀ nígbà yẹn. Gbogbo ọmọ yèké ló máa ń bá sùn. Èyí tó ṣe gbẹ̀yìn. Ìyá yẹn sọ pé ó dẹ̀ wo ohun ṣùṣùṣùṣù. Ó dẹ̀ kí ọmọ mọ́lẹ̀, ó dẹ̀ bá sùn, ó dẹ̀ fún lóyún. Bí ọmọ yẹn gbà yẹn bí 12 years, wọ́n ní wọ́n lọ yọ oyún yẹn fọ́mọ yẹn. N tó wá gbé nǹkan bẹ́ wá síbẹ̀ ni pé ó padà ọmọ tó padà wá di pé nǹkan bẹ́ wá fi wá síbẹ̀ ni pé ó fún ọmọ tiẹ̀ fún ara ẹ̀ lóyún. Èpè no ma fi ń wo èpè. Wèrè no ma fi ń wo wèrè. Ó fún ọmọ ẹ̀ lóyún. Èdìyàn ìdílé ni pé oyún oṣù kìíní, oṣù kejì, oṣù kẹta, oṣù kẹrin, oyún yẹn pé oṣù méje. Làwọn ayọ̀ ta ló fún ẹ lóyún? Tó ní bàbá òun ló fún lóyún. First grandchild there, òun ló mẹ bí fún. Until we stop all this nonsense. Until women stand up and stop. Èmi ò mọ̀ wé o. Àwọn tó mọ̀ wá preach fún yín pé kíní kan ẹ lọ ṣèwé, ẹ lọ sí kóòtù. There is no law in Nigeria. Nigeria is a sue country, a lawless country, where some animals are more important than some animals. Animal farm, only all animals are equal. But there are some animals that are more equal than others. Mo fẹ́ ṣe show kan ọmọ tí wọ́n ní boyfriend ẹ̀ pa ọmọ ex governor kan tó ní boyfriend ẹ̀ pa minister ex minister ni bó ṣe máa ṣe show lórí ẹ̀ boyfriend ẹ̀ tó pa nísìn wọ́n ti fún ní justice wọ́n ní kàn lọ pa boyfriend ẹ̀ kàn lọ hang ẹ̀ kàn lọ pa. I am very sure, I am 99.9% sure, if that girl happened to be from a poor family, this thing will be swept under the carpet until the poor stand up and fight for themselves. Until the poor women stand up by all means and fight for themselves. These people, they will not stop tormenting us, making us sad. This is heartbroken. Who married? Omari said to our woman in some years to come, when they will graduate from university. Hey, I say graduate university. Oh, I am now a doctor. She will be going one day and she will meet her daughter's classmates. Mommy, Whitney. Yes, Mommy, Whitney. Hey, long time. Kinikon. Where are you now? I'm now a doctor. I'm now a lawyer. Yeah, I'm married. These are my kids. This is my husband. And she will go home. Remember Whitney, her daughter. She will be like, then she will remember, Omo Ile àti ọmọ mi no jọ sí school ní Chrisland nígbà. And she will remember her child. She will remember her daughter. Ọgbẹ́ ayérayé, ọgbẹ́ ọkàn for life ni. This is so sad. This is pathetic. Women, stand up for your rights. Women, stand up for your rights. And don't lead the àgbáyé kó tó jáde láyé was Queen Elizabeth. Queen Elizabeth ò ní orí méjì. She get honor as you get honor. She get abe as you get abe. Queen Elizabeth obìnrin ni. Buhari tó bá ní women don't have office in my kinikan. When Queen Elizabeth was alive, Buhari ń gba àṣẹ lẹ́nu ẹ̀. Gbogbo àwọn tó wọ́n jẹ́ ọkùnrin tí wọ́n sọ gbogila mọ́dì tí wọ́n pe àwọn ní top kini kan wọ́n recognize Queen Elizabeth. Ilẹ̀ tí Queen Elizabeth ní orúkọ queen kò sí ẹni tó ti ní adúgbò tó bẹ́ẹ̀ ní àgbáyé. She is I can say she is the most richest ní ilẹ̀ tó ní. Queen Elizabeth ATM kò kí lo ATM gbowó. Queen Elizabeth orúkọ ẹ̀ kò ní the passport or visa láti travel lọ sí anywhere. Mama Shali, Queen Elizabeth was a woman, a mother, until we stand up and we keep those people, those stupid people that we say go inside the room until we let them know that we need to be respected. Until we let them know without us, lè wá sáyé. Tí obìnrin bá fẹ́ kóyún dúró, ọkùnrin bá máa bá sùn ní 29 times a day. Tí obìnrin bá fẹ́ kó dúró, ní dúró. If your mother is not ready to bring you to this life, bàbá ò bá jẹ́ kó jẹ́ caterpillar tó lè rún yàn pa. Tó bá ti ń dúró, ó ti mọ tó máa lò tó máa fi flush ẹ. Tó bá ti ẹ̀gbá láyè kó dúró ni. We are in charge of every damn thing in this life. Every damn thing. Wọ́n ní nínú ná, wọ́n lóbìnrin ló máa pọ̀ jù. Wọ́n lálùjọ náà, wọ́n lóbìnrin ló máa pọ̀ jù. Lọ sí babaláwo lẹ́ni. Tó bá ti tó bench kalẹ̀, tó bá ti rí ọkùnrin mẹ́ta, obìnrin 19 ló máa rí. Lọ sílé aláàfáà, lọ sílé pastor, àwọn la full everywhere. Àwa lè wá ń fìyà jẹ. There must be a stop to this. We need justice for Whitney Kilonje. Let me bring out our picture. We need justice for Whitney. Whitney, come over here. Don't know if I'm going to get your picture from here. I need the justice for Whitney, oh. I cannot even see a picture here. That is the girl. Get on the lane, listen. Get on me. Get on me. A 12-year-old child. We need justice for her. We want justice for her. If justice will prevail. But if justice will not prevail, okay, oh. It's all right, yo. It's left to Ya Whitney. Me ò ní mo ní tí mo fẹ́ fún ẹ o. Ya Whitney. And if we keep our mouth quiet, we keep our eyes closed, this will continue. Nigeria don't care about our children now. Nigeria never care about our children. Where is Tolulope Arotile? She is gone forever. Àwọn tí wọ́n wá mọ́tò pa Tolulope Arotile, a ò dẹ̀ tí gbọ́ pé wọn ò ní experience driving, wọ́n ti wá mọ́tò pa ìyá àti bàbá wọn. A ò tí gbọ́ pé wọ́n ti wá mọ́tò wọ inú ilé ìyá àti bàbá wọn kó lọ mú bàbá àti ìyá wọn mọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. Bá mi ṣe nípa bá mi ṣe. Ó wá kọ́ ti ń jẹ́ ó ṣe ní wọ́pọ̀. Ó ṣe ní wọ́pọ̀ bí àkísà èélà tí ò dúró gbẹ̀jẹ̀. Ẹlẹ́wọ̀n ìjẹ̀bi. Okay. Wọn ò tí tú sílẹ̀. Kò dẹ̀ sí ìwọ ìlọ ṣe kó fáwọn ọmọ tiẹ̀. Abeg, may we stop this nonsense. What you know me máa pọ̀jù ní inú ná. It's left for God to put me inside the ná. It's left for God to put me inside Arizona. If there's no justice, if there's no response, another one will come again. And we are here to shout, hey, what was the Pakinico? Hey, what was the Pakinico? For how long we keep on shouting, what was the Pakinico? What was the Pakinico? For how long do we keep on shouting, what was the Pakinico? What was the Pakinico? You will see our daughters go to school, what to do it, do one ya. Lecture about shit here. Sometimes men were not taking it, but our lecture ever do one. We don't keep come out to broken, eh? Oh, what? Oh, mama, in primary school. I want my to what need. Oh, my in secondary school. Go teacher. Kini kan teacher, math teacher, kini kan teacher. If you don't buy Ile pass it. One go university. Mélòó ló kù tó ko wọ́n fẹ́ gbádùn. One go university, dido yìí ni. Lílá náà ni. Táwọn olóṣèlú bá ní ide tó máa fi ṣògùn owó. Àwọn ọmọ wa na ma tún gbé lóṣò. Tó bá ní wọ́n fẹ́ gbowó ní kíní kan, àwọn ma lọ ṣolóṣò ní tó máa jẹ̀gbẹ́. Nílùú Àràbò, àwọn náà bá sùn níwájú, bá sùn lẹ́yìn. Until we are ready. Until all women are ready to put stop to this jack shit. When we are ready, we will stop this. Obìnrin ló ní ayé. Obìnrin ló lè tú ayé kọ́. Obìnrin ló lè jayé lulẹ̀. Èmi ò ní nǹkan kan. But tí èèyàn bá ti ṣe aburú fún ọmọ ẹ, make sure pé ó ṣe times adìẹ tó bá da oúnjẹ ọmọ ẹ, tó bá da oúnjẹ ọmọ ẹ nù, tó bá da ògùn ọmọ ẹ nù. Má fọ ẹdìẹ yẹn lẹ́yìn o. Adìẹ da ògùn ọmọ ẹ nù, ó wá fọ lẹ́yìn. Má fọ lẹ́yìn, jẹ́ kó pa ẹyin yẹn. Excuse me. Give me a second. Jẹ́ kó pa ẹyin yẹn. Lójú ẹ̀ báyìí, kó dó báyìí kó wá mẹ́yin yẹn, kó dá sínú kòkò, kó rò sí ẹ̀, kó wá yí dànù lójú ẹ̀. Next time tó bá rògùn ọmọ ẹ̀ kò ní débẹ̀ mọ́. We should put stop to all this. Bí ọmọ bá kú, ìyá ló máa fara kó àṣà, ìyá ló máa dùn jù. Bẹ́ bá yìnbọn pa ọkọ, ìyá ló máa dùn jù. Àwọn ọmọ tẹ́ pa ní EndSARS, mọ iye òbí tó torí ẹ̀ kú. Ikú EndSARS, mọ iye òbí tó torí ẹ̀ kú. Ọmọ tó ní wọ́n lù pa ń jọ̀wọ́, táwọn ọlọ́pàá mẹ́ta lù pa nínú márúwá. Ìyá ẹ̀ tó ń gbé ọ̀dọ̀ ẹ̀, ìjọ́ kẹta nìyá yẹn náà kú. If my I win, I don't understand. I don't know, but we need justice. Please share this video. Let people speak up. We need justice for Whitney of Chrisland, be a Chrisland or anything Chris kinikon ẹ̀sìn kinikon yẹn. Nobody should come and jí mi pẹ̀lú ẹ̀sìn, anything ẹ̀sìn, beg. Ẹlẹ́sìn ni mí, mo ń kírun ní wọ̀bá tí mo inú òun náà bí mi sí, so mo ń kírun ní wọ̀bá tí mo lè kírun. Àmọ́ àmọ̀là tí ò lọ bẹ́ẹ̀, má gbé déwájú mi o. That is justice. Mi ò ní rí jù bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn lọ for today. Èmi àti yín àní sọ ọmọ nù o. Àní sọ ọmọ nù. Ẹrù tàbí àmọ́ kì í túwò, wọn ò ní gbé wá ká mọ́lé. Ẹ ní mọ̀ sáré ọmọ, èmi náà ò ní mọ̀ sáré ọmọ tèmi náà. Ní agbára t'Ọlọ́run Ọba. Ọlọ́run ò ní tó ọ̀rọ̀ wa látorí kòdì. Gbogbo abiyamọ ayé pátápátá ní ṣe òwò àṣedànù. Téèyàn oṣù mẹ́sàn-án ṣe máa ń rí lára. Ní ṣe ẹrùdì ṣá, tèmi nìyẹn. Ọlọ́run jẹ́ ká ṣe ẹrùdì. Ẹ tó máa ká wa lẹ́yìn ọ̀kan. Àyẹ́ tó bá ti ká ẹni of our eyín. Lágbára Ọlọ́run Ọba tó máa ká ẹni eyín inú wa, tó ká àwọn ọmọ wa ní eyín wa. Ẹgbẹ́ tó máa ká wa ní eyín, Ọlọ́run ò ní jẹ́ àwọn ọmọ wa ò ní pàdé ẹ̀. Àwa náà ò ní pàdé ẹ̀. Wọn ò ní tó máa ti jọ ń rìn Ọlọ́run á yà wọ́n. Tó máa lọ school tó máa pa wọ́n, Ọlọ́run á jẹ́ kí wọ́n fail ńbẹ̀, kí wọ́n lé wọn kúrò school yẹn. Tàbá àwọn tó lọ sí school, tó bá school yẹn lọ́dọ̀ ti máa kú. Due to negligence or ritual or whatever. Ọlọ́run yẹ ká àwọn wa kàn fail ní school yẹn kàn lé wọn kúrò. Lágbára Ọlọ́run Ọba. Tàbá bí pé ibi kan tó fẹ́ rìn sí tó máa fi gba ẹ̀mí lẹ́nu wọn. Ọlọ́run á jẹ́ kí wọ́n má lè lọ síbẹ̀. People tó máa gba ẹ̀mí lẹ́nu wọn. Ikú ọmọ ó korò. Ó ju omi ewúro lọ. Kò ṣeé gbé mu. Every day, every time, everywhere tó bá rìn sí, wàá rí set àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run Ọba, we need to do something about this. This is why we are saying we need Yoruba nation. When we have Yoruba nation, a máa lè ṣe ètò tí ẹnìkan ò ní pa ọmọ ẹnìkan kó lọ scot free. Yoruba nation will be a nation with law. With law. Níbi tó yẹ pé oníkálukú á ti máa gba judgment. Tó bá ti ṣe ọkọ wa gba judgment. Tó bá ogun pa ẹkú, wọ́n rán àrá sí àrá máa fọ́ orí ẹ. If you like say, every say Yoruba nation lẹ́lẹ́bọ, I don't believe in kinikan láti di kinikan. Òfin Mósè ni mo tẹ̀lé. Tá bá gba Yoruba nation wa, tá bá ti dúró ní àyè tiwa. If you want to be a Christian, be a Christian. You want to be a Muslim, be a Muslim. You want to be oníṣẹ̀ṣe, be oníṣẹ̀ṣe. If you tamper anything, a máa gbé law dìde. Òfin á dìde pé this is law. Constitution gidi lélẹ̀. Tó máa kárí olówó, tó máa kárí tálíkà. Ọmọ tó kù yìí sì, there must be a ancient passport ní school tó bí bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. There's no CCTV camera. Are you kidding me? We can continue like this. School land bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn, ancient passport, no CCTV camera. When she slammed and nobody's camera, kò sí tó ní phone lọ́wọ́ láti camera but tó slum. What is the cause of her slum? Wọ́n ní cardiac arrest. Ogun ló máa pa yín, ogun. A lọ bẹ ogun níṣẹ́ wọ́n á bù nǹkan sórí èṣù fún yín. Cardiac arrest yẹn á pa ogun yẹn máa kú dànù ẹ̀ níṣẹ́ kẹyọ kan. Cardiac arrest kọ́kọ́. Cardiac arrest ni. Ládàrá dáre dèrèdè. Wọ́n á bẹ ogun lọ́wọ́ sí ogun, wọ́n á bẹ ajẹ́ sórí ogun fún ti yín á yẹ̀. Ẹ káàbọ̀ jà mo kí gbogbo yẹn tó kí mi ni mo kí yín o, wàhálà mo rí yín. Ara kan mi ni. Ẹ bá sọ̀rọ̀ sí yá ìmá ní ẹ Jésù lọ́dọ̀ náà Jésù o. Jésù wà lọ́dọ̀ àwọn tó mọ Jésù, àdọ́bẹ̀ lọ́dọ̀ àwọn tó mọ ànábì. Ẹ lọ bẹ̀ kọ́kọ́ bù nǹkan sórí èṣù fún ọkọ́ rí wọ́n yí. Àwọn olórí burúkú aṣòṣì máa kàn pa àwọn ọmọ anyhow. Any small thing is dead. Is dead. Ọmọ. Ìyá lọ rán àwọn tó bá mọ Ṣàngó níṣẹ́ kọ́ bú Ṣàngó inú ẹ̀rùn lọ́wọ́ Nàìjíríà. Wọ́n lọ bú Ṣàngó nínú ẹ̀rùn kó jà burúkú. Àjà máa máa là. Kí wọ́n rò kú ọmọ ẹ̀wọ̀n níjẹ́ kọ́rò. Àwọn ìyá Kírísítẹ́nì ni wọ́n bí ìyá Mùsùlùmí. Wọ́n níjẹ́ kọ́rò. Ọmọ tẹ́ gbé jàgàmùlé lọ́wọ́. AK-99. Kó yìnbọn pa anybody pa èbù. ẹ wò ẹ jẹ́ kí n máa lọ wọn kan tó padà rẹ́rìn wèrè lẹ́ ń gbé wá Nàìjíríà yìí wèrè yìí ti ń pọ̀ jù ó kí ló dé èwo ló ṣì gan mo ti rí ya yẹn sìn pásítọ̀ kan lọ kí ya yẹn nílé pásítọ̀ ìṣẹ̀wọ̀n yẹn bẹ́ẹ̀ aláì ẹ̀rín ti pa mí pásítọ̀ kí lorúkọ ẹ̀ pásítọ̀ school gbogbo ó lọ sí kíní jíṣ kíní kan mi ò tiẹ̀ mọ̀ tó wà fẹ́ play fún yín ni àbáyé ó lọ sọ̀rọ̀ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ oríṣiríṣi kan ní kíní pastor pàbí I am a priest ẹ fi priest ilẹ̀ o ẹ fi priest ilẹ̀ kọ́ ro ọmọ yẹn ni kọ́ ro don't let anybody deceive you kó tó bá ti rókù kò ní sùn ẹ lọ ro ni ẹ lọ rókù ọmọ yẹn Chrisland kú pa yín kú láyé yín tó bá ro ọmọ yẹn tó wá sí school bẹ́ẹ̀ sí ní dẹ́gbà àwọn students tó kù is that a play call our ọmọ yẹn every day teacher bá ti wọ class by what subject do we have today? We have chemistry when sokolo phone and pe sokolo kí wọ́n dé ọ̀rẹ́ ilé chemistry when sokolo so is going to kí Whitney go fún teacher ní gbàrún pow you stupid ẹ pa mí ní school dem mi kú lélẹ̀ ẹ tí rí justice máa ká àwọn tó kù orí everybody máa pé I am not joking. Physics master bá ti wọlé tó bá ti ní H2O plus hydronic acid kí you there. Kó cha physics master ní gbàhùn pow. Tó bá gba chemistry dé ti leni, tó gba physics lọ́la. Tí ìyá Yorùbá dé lọ́tún la pé èdè akọ́mọlédè kíní kan akọ́mọlédè kí you there tó fún ìyá Yorùbá ní bàbá ìgbàdì títọ́ ṣẹ́ ní díẹ̀ next time ọmọ mi ò ní kú ní school yẹn they should do something mọ́mọ́ máa ró ọmọ ẹni kan ro tí tíṣà bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọ́n máa fi gba ìgbárùn tó gbóná lọ́wọ́ òkú ọmọ yẹn another child will not die in that school again mo rí iná o lórí o ẹ má bínú pé ẹ má bínú bí ṣe ò lé ní ẹ má bínú torí Ọlọ́run inú kan bí I'm just so upset ẹ má bínú thank you so much bye bye ẹ ṣé ẹ má bínú.